Hey guys, here we are back again with a new video. So in today's video, we are going to talk about this particular software that is called as Video Styler. So as the name suggests, you would be clearly understanding that this is a video editing software, but it's not like the other video editing softwares that you find in the market. This is completely different. So guys, being into online marketing for almost about 5 years, I definitely know that videos are the future, and without getting into videos you cannot express what you want in front of your audience. So it's definitely mandatory that you need to create some high quality videos that you can showcase to your clients and in turn generate more leads, more conversions. To make such high quality videos, we need to hire some freelancer, or we need to hire a particular video editor in our team, and that would cost us huge chunk of money. So video stylers is one replacement for all those freelancers or all those video editors that you were gonna hire. So basically video stylers is a software that provides you with all the necessary templates that can be used to create a high quality video within minutes. Here you can see that the launch dates are on 3rd of August and it's going to end on the 8th of August. So if you actually want to get this software, you can get it within 3rd to 8th of August. But I would suggest you to get it as early as possible. So in this video, I will be telling more about this particular software. So what is Video Styler and what does it do? So guys, as I told you earlier, and today we know that the videos are the future. Without video marketing, you are definitely going to lose a huge chunk of your audience. Everyone wants to know what the product is by watching creative, proper, informative videos. And for doing that, we used to hire a lot of freelancers from Fiverr, Upwork, and they used to charge us huge chunk of money. But this software like Video Stylers, they provide you with all the done for you templates. They have almost around more than 100 done for you templates that you can use and create your videos within seconds. And trust me guys, Video Styler is an amazing software for people like us. So guys, I'm gonna tell you this thing that when this software launches on the 3rd of August, I myself is gonna buy this software because I find it very difficult to edit my own videos or to hire some freelancers every time to edit our videos. So I am gonna buy this software so that I can edit my videos of my own. And guys, I would suggest you to do the same. So guys, if you want to read a particular review about the software, you can come over to this article that we have written, and I would provide the link in the description. You can click on the link and get on to this article and read the particular review about this software. And you can here we have provided the links at different places where you can go and get this software, including all the bonuses that they are gonna provide. So guys, as I said, this software allows you to create high quality videos in less than 60 seconds, and that's pretty amazing. If you go and hire a freelancer, they are gonna take on at least 2 to 3 days to actually give you a productive output that you need. But using softwares like Video Stylers, you can actually create videos within minutes, and you can use those videos anywhere that you want. Here you can see there is a snapshot of what this video is, what this software is going to provide you. Here's the before and after of a video. You can exactly watch what's the difference that you are gonna get by using this software. A normal video can be converted into a high quality video like this one. So by using a software like Video Stylus, you are gonna get amazing results for your business. Trust me on this. So guys, let's completely break down what is Video Stylus. So here, as it is written, that Video Stylus is loaded with stunning video banners, thumbnails, and zoom templates. Anything you search and you find it within the software itself. And how does it help you? So it helps you to generate high and really high quality leads that can help you. It help you in your business. So here are some of the key features of video stylers that I am gonna share it with you. So the first thing that you find here is it's newbie friendly software and provided with all the trainings. When you get into the software, you find all the trainings necessary to use the particular software easily. So the video styler dashboard is pretty easy to use. Trust me on this, guys. When it's going to launch on the 3rd of August, you are gonna see that that the dashboard is completely user friendly, and you can, and a completely newbie like me can use this software with no issues. Here's the second feature that you can see: no creation skill or design experience needed. So guys, I'm into online business for almost 5 years and I know how to do online business, but I do not know how to do online video editing and stuffs like that. And when I go to edit my videos using softwares like Premiere Pro and Camtasia, huge. That's a huge business, and I do not want to get into all of those. So it's better for me and it's better for you. It's better for online business owners like us to get a software like this so that we can easily render and create high quality videos from the templates that they are being provided within the software itself. Here you can see the third feature itself. It includes over 100 of stunning video templates that can be found within the dashboard of video stylers. And you can find fully flexible tools within the video stylus dashboard itself. You can use all those tools to create a video that you want. And as I said, there are multiple kind of templates for multiple kind of videos that you want to create within this software. So guys, now talking about the pros and the cons. Now let's first start with the pros of the software. It's completely tested and a proven system. It works with others. It has already worked with different people. So it's definitely gonna work for you. And it's newbie friendly. So people like you and me can use it with ease without any difficulties. No video editing skills required. You do not have to be an expert in softwares like Premiere Pro or Camtasia or any other software to use this particular software. Premium customer support. The particular software that we are talking about, the video stylers, is completely newbie friendly and completely user friendly. Still, in case if you find any difficulty, their customer support is there 24/7 to help you out. And as I said earlier, it has a easy user software interface, and it has got more than hundreds of done for you templates that you can use to generate more and more leads. So what's more exciting is that when you get the video styler software from our link, you will be getting more exciting bonuses that we would be talking more about in our future videos. As of now, the bonuses are not being finalized, so I cannot tell you more about the bonuses that are being provided within the software. But before 1 to 2 days of the launch, I am going to tell you all about the bonuses that are going to be provided within this software. So you can check our second video to get a better understanding about the software. Talking about the cons, I did not found any cons as of now. In fact, this software is completely newbie friendly, and it's it's definitely meant for people like you and me. So you can get this software without any second thoughts. Believe me on this, guys. And I myself is going to get this software when it's being launched. And talking about the bonuses, we would be talking more about the bonuses in our future videos, so stay updated with that. And if you want to get video stylus, you can get from this review, and you can click on this video stylus link and you can get the software including all the bonuses. Or if you want to directly get the software, you can directly click on the link that we have provided in the description and you can directly purchase the software with no issues.